And when AI coding tools start replacing traditional editors, the comparison between Cursor and Trae AI becomes something developers can't ignore. But deciding which one is better isn't just about automation, it's about how each tool improves your workflow. Starting with Cursor, it's essentially an AI-first code editor built on top of a familiar environment, offering features like AI code generation, debugging, refactoring, and chat-based editing directly inside your files. It feels like a complete development environment where AI is deeply integrated, and that naturally makes it powerful for full-time developers. On the other hand, Trae AI focuses more on being a lightweight AI coding assistant rather than a full editor. It helps with generating code snippets, explanations, and quick fixes, but it doesn't fully replace your development environment. This makes it more suitable for users who want AI support alongside their existing tools, rather than switching completely. Now, when it comes to usability, Cursor offers a more immersive experience, since everything is built into the editor itself. However, this can take some time to fully understand. Trae AI is more simple and accessible, allowing you to get quick help without changing your workflow. And that difference connects directly to how much control you want over your coding environment. Talking about performance and capability, Cursor is generally stronger for large projects and complex tasks, since it understands the entire codebase and can make broader changes. Trae AI works better for quick tasks and assistance, but may not offer the same depth when handling bigger systems. Let's talk about pricing, because this is where many developers decide. Cursor usually offers a free tier, but its premium plans can cost around $20 per month, depending on usage and advanced features. Trae AI is often more affordable or even free in some cases, with optional paid upgrades for higher limits or better performance. So from a pricing perspective, Trae AI is more budget-friendly, while Cursor positions itself as a premium tool. Looking at pros and cons, Cursor stands out for its deep integration and powerful features, but it may feel heavier and more expensive. Trae AI offers simplicity and lower cost, but lacks the full capabilities of an AI-first editor. So, when you connect everything together, the choice depends on your needs. If you want a complete AI-powered coding environment, Cursor is the better option. But if you prefer a lightweight assistant to support your existing workflow, Trae AI makes more sense. And that balance is what ultimately determines which tool is better for you. And that's it. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.